Yeah, this is a quick overview of our block add-on for CS card and Vorsprung card system. So you see the block add-on here. If you click on block, you can have different categories. Yeah, or you can display all listings. You see the social media sharing is implemented. All these are H2 tags. You can leave comments for the individual posts, yeah, for example here, and that also brought me now to the main page of that particular post. I could also click on here. Yeah, this is also fully SEO optimized and integrated into CS card. The page has its own page title, its SEO friendly URL which you can determine. It will appear in the sitemap and so on. So it's really all about SEO. You can share again the individual article here. You can search through all blog posts. This is how it looks in the back end. For example, you see that you have a new blog menu here. So at the moment we basically add blog posts. So here I could determine the position, I could delete, I could change the category, I can determine whether it has a separate page or not. I can see all comments for one particular post. Here there is no comment. And I can edit the post, and yeah, that's how it basically looks like. This is Advanced SEO add-on, which is a separate add-on, also on the bottom here, but it's integrated, and if you have that installed, it will also work with your blog post. And it really, yeah, enables you to optimize everything 100%. So yeah, here you basically have your text as standard HTML or WYSIWYG as we have now. You can make a blog post hidden or disable it altogether. You can upload an image, you can upload alternative images here or additional images. You have a short title if you want to, the position, the date. Okay, and these are all the SEO features here. Then it gives you a snippet preview how it will look in Google. It shows you whether all the main SEO things are there. You can determine the SEO URL name, the page title, the keywords, the meta description, and then you have various other options in regards to meta robot text. That's more advanced options, whether you want to have follow, no follow, whether you want include in the sitemap and so on. Okay, you can also deal with canonical URLs, and you can enable, disable the comments and reviews. Good. There are quite a few general settings which you can do. For example, the blog path, what it's called, whether you want to have H1 title for the blog heading, then whether you enable pinbacks similar to WordPress, the date format, time format, how many posts per page, whether you want to include blog posts in the sitemap, enable social media sharing, where you can say no, you can enable it for only the detail page or for the list page or for the category. You have the add this username API for the social media sharing, so it will show up in your add this statistics and so on. How many posts per page. You can assign different wrappers and therefore can really change the design for the category. The same is for the blog post. You have the blog security settings. If you have CS card, you probably have been spammed with comment posts already. This really prevents it. First of all, it enables captcha, and then you can basically block people from leaving comments. For example, more than 3 comments per 3 hours from the same IP, the IP is automatically blocked for 10 days. You could also manually whitelist or blacklist IPs. Then you have a separate area for all the blog comments. Yeah. So here basically you see all comments, and you could approve them, disapprove them. You can block an IP directly from here. you see the poster's IP address. Yeah, so it's very handy. You can, you know, manipulate 10-15 different comments and then save. So very user friendly. One other important thing is that it completely integrates with the permission system in CS-Card. So you could, for example, create one user who only can access the blog and sees nothing else. So if you have a content creator, you don't want to have him seeing what turnover, whatever you have. That is a very easy way. Just create a new user group and call it blog. Just enable what he's supposed to see and then assign that to that user. Thank you.